Kelsey from Frankly Natural Beauty. I'm here with my mom, Kathy, and today we're going to be making lip scrubs.
And yes, we are. We tried a couple recipes, so we're going to try this one that's actually from Sopish, right? Okay, and Tanya is the owner of the store in California, I believe. She's amazing. She makes amazing stuff. Not just soaps, anything that I see from her is amazing. So I want to try a recipe for this, and we're going to show you how we're going to do it and if we like it. So let's go and make this beautiful lip scrub.
Let's do this.
All right. Okay guys, these are the ingredients we're going to use. We're going to use organic shea butter right here. African shea butter that I love is the white kind. We're going to use some coconut oil, jojoba oil, and then organic cocoa butter. We're going to use the wafers, avocado oil. How do you pronounce that, Kelsey? I have a hard time pronouncing this one over here. The alcohol.
Cetearyl alcohol.
And that's actually not an alcohol like you think, maybe like this alcohol here. It's not the same. It's a different thing. What is it, Kelsey? You read about it. What is it?
Cetearyl alcohol is a fatty alcohol. It's found in most cosmetics. The difference between cetearyl alcohol and ethanol and isopropyl is that ethanol and isopropyl are solvent alcohols.
Yeah.
So they're not emollient.
Like this one over here.
The cetearyl alcohol.
That's not the same.
The cetearyl alcohol is an emollient alcohol that is great for the skin.
All right, awesome. And then we're gonna use this beautiful flavor oil from Brambleberry, and it's called the Peach Bellini. It's amazing. So we're going to use a rose gold mica from Brambleberry. That's really beautiful too. And we're going to do a half cane sugar and half organic sugar over here. All right, so let's measure everything. And we're going to start this beautiful lip scrub. And I'm not going to, I am not going to put this like directly on the burner. I'm going to do double boiler. That's the way I like to do it. So let's go and do it. Okay, so I'm going to be measuring all my ingredients in this bowl over here. And we're going to make just a very small batch. It's going to be 4 ounces. Okay guys, give me just a minute. I'm going to put my hairnet on. And don't forget that when you do something like this, you always wear a hairnet and you sterilize everything, or your utensils, the bowls, everything, okay? With 1% alcohol, or you with bleach and water, okay? Alright, let me go and do that. Okay, so I have all the solid stuff, butters and the liquid oils in there, and I am gonna wait until they're gonna get all melted down. And like I said before, we are doing it on a double boiler, so let's see what happens. Gonna let it stay, let it melt gently, and then we'll come back and we add the sugar after everything is melted. Okay, so the everything is melted down, so let's check the temperature there. It is, let's see, 143, 140. That's what's going, yeah, 140, about 140. So we're gonna wait a little bit longer, and we're gonna put the sugars in there. I don't want the sugars to melt. We want the sugars to be, nice and grainy, so you can put it on your lips and you can exfoliate. All right, so I'm gonna just let it sit a little bit, but I think it's ready to put our flower oil, because that has a flash point of 200. So that's okay to do it, right, Kelsey?
Right.
Okay, so let's go and do that first. And let me get my stuff here ready to go. And we're gonna need a little tiny bit, not a lot, of flavor oil. So let me get a little pipette so I can control it better. I just love this oil, man. This flavor oil from Brambleberry is amazing. The peach Bellini smells so good. Alright. Ooh, that smells so good. There we go. That's it. Just a little tiny bit. It is still kind of warm. So I'm going to measure again. Make sure it doesn't coagulate right now. I think it's ready to put the sugars in. Let me move this aside. Ooh, it's not liquid anymore. Oh no. It's coagulating, so I think I'm going to put it on I am going to put this on the burner again for just a second and melt this down again a little bit. Alright, so let me put in, now it's cool, a little bit cool and not that bad, so I'm going to put the sugars in there. And we're going to mix them up. And it depends how liquid or how you want this stuff to be. It doesn't have to be liquid, it doesn't have to be, it's up to you. I mean, if you want a little bit more liquid, you can just get some more liquid oils. Right, Kels?
Right.
In fact, I think we may need to put some liquid.
It's kind of looking like snow. I think you're right.
Because I want a little bit. Let's see, I don't know.
It's looking like a slushy.
It is. So I am going to put a little tiny bit more of this stuff over here, of the jojoba oil. Just a little bit. It's actually not an oil, it's a wax. Oh yeah, it's looking really good. It just needs to be mixed up really well. Okay, and this is the consistency that we want. Okay, so kind of creamy. It's gonna get drier, but that's what we want now. And we're gonna put a little bit of mica in there, a dash. Not even because it's not gonna be a dash, because this is like less than what she did there. So we're gonna put that in there, and we're gonna mix it up to give it a little tiny bit of color. We don't want a lot of color, just a tint. Just a hint of a tint. That's what we want. So I'm going to mix this up really, really well until I achieve the color that I want. And then we're going to scoop it up in jars. Okay, so I think I want a little bit more color. What do you think, Kelsey?
I agree.
It is very, very light. So we're going to put a little tiny bit more. Just a little tiny bit. I love this mica powder. It's really beautiful. And this is also from Brambleberry. Well, we live in Washington State, so we buy a lot of stuff from Brambleberry. Because they have the best prices for us here. Also, shipping is not very expensive with them. Not for us, because we live in the same state. And they are in Bellingham, and very close to where I was. Okay, let's take this off, okay. Alright, so I think I'm happy with the color. What about you, Kelsey?
Yeah, it's nice.
It's a beautiful color, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's put this aside and I'm going to scoop it in little jars, okay? Okay guys, so I have those really cute jars that I got from Amazon. They are 2 ounces each, so we're going to scoop them in here. See how much this he holds. It's supposed to be 4 ounces, but I'm not sure, so let's see. You never know, you know. We're not selling this one. We're actually using it ourselves first before we're gonna sell it. So we're gonna do a jar for me and a jar for Kelsey. And we're gonna exfoliate our lips, right, Kelsey?
Right.
And see how that goes. It looks really good and it smells amazing. It smells delicious. It smells like you want to eat it. You could eat it. Right, girls?
Right.
You can eat it. It's not bad.
But it isn't recommended for human consumption.
Yeah, I know. I'm just kidding. Well, but I mean, it's going to go on your lips. And if you have a little bit, if you eat a little bit, it's not going to kill you. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
It's going to be okay, right?
Yeah, it's going to be fine.
Alright, and then, oh my god, it smells so good. And here we go. And just so you know, I did sterilize those jars too. And my hands are super clean. I'm not wearing gloves because I can't move my hands doing this with gloves on. So I really scrubbed my hands really well. And there we go. I'm going to clean those up a little bit. And I want to show you what they look like. And we're going to do a little test. See how it performs. And there you go. Aren't those cute or what?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Kelsey is going to do a little testing for us, right? And see how she likes it. So you just put it on your lips and you just massage it. Kelsey. And she has really chopped lips today, so let's see how that's gonna work for her. And we'll let you know, right, Kelsey?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. You look funny. Anyway, this is it. It's right there. It's beautiful. It looks amazing. It smells amazing. And how does it feel, Kelsey? How does it feel?
Very exfoliating. Oops, someone went one in my mouth. It tastes amazing too.
Okay, awesome. So there we go. There you have it, our sugar scrub. And if you want to look at the Instagram that Soapish has, she has the whole recipe there too. And you can check it out. And we are gonna go and try these too. I'm gonna try it too.
It's like a lip balm and a scrub at the same time.
Alright guys, and there you have it, our Peach Bellini lip scrub with organic coconut oil and organic butters there, and also half and half sugar. One we have a half sugar is organic, half is just regular sugar, white sugar. It smells amazing, it tastes amazing. I hope you liked it. If you like this video and you want to see more of this kind of stuff, please let us know. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram too. We're gonna be making a lot more stuff and posting things on Instagram. And if we like this recipe, we will put it in our shop in Buckley at Buckley Public Market, but we also will have it on our Facebook shop, and we are going to have all the products that you can see now in our website that we're working on. It'll be ready pretty soon. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye.